Hello everyone, I am Ajit Pradnavant from Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video, I am going to introduce Open Elective course Database Essentials and Business Intelligence. So in this presentation, first of all I am going to introduce the topic, then I will mention the benefits of using DBMS, some of the benefits or important points with respect to business intelligence, and at the end why we study this course along with the course contents. So what is database? A database is an organized collection of data generally stored and accessed electronically from a computer system. What is DBMS? The database management system is the software that interacts with the end users, applications and the database itself to capture and analyze the data. So in this diagram, there is central database on which DBMS software is present, and for this DBMS software there are users. There is payroll officer, customer service advisor and sales manager. As per their needs, they are querying over this database by using the DBMS software and retrieving the useful information from the database as per the business needs. So what is the benefits of DBMS? It allows user to create, access and manage a database, add a user, change and delete data in the database, sort and retrieve the data from the database, create forms and reports using data in the database. It allows user to collect the tables organized in rows. So these are some of the benefits of using DBMS. Business intelligence. What is business intelligence? It comprises the strategies and technologies used by enterprises for the data analysis of business information. Business information technologies provide historical and current and predictive views of business operations. This business intelligence helps managers to drive performance and revenue. You can grade leads. This also helps to improve the operational efficiency. It also helps to provide personalized service more easily. For my manager, it helps to identify sales trends so that manager can see the trends of the sales, and by looking at he can take the decision. It also understands the customer better so that the organization can serve the customer in better way. So management point of view, business intelligence helps them to make the decision for their organization. So why we study this course? In this course, you will create relational database, write SQL statements to extract information to satisfy business reporting request, create entity relationship diagrams to design the databases, and analyze the table designs for excessive redundancy. As you develop these skills, you will use either Oracle, MySQL or PostgreSQL to execute SQL statements. We have designed this course to ensure a common foundation for database essential and business intelligence. Business intelligence is a key to monitor business trends, detect significant events, and get the full picture of what is happening inside your organization. This course provides the foundation you need for a career in the database development as well as for business intelligence. I am going to share the course contents. The course name is Database Essentials and Business Intelligence. It is having teaching scheme, 3 hours lecture per week. Total credit is 3. You are familiar with the evaluation scheme. IC1 is for 10 marks, MAC is for 30 marks, IC2 is for 10 marks and EAC is for 50 marks. These are the course objective and course outcome of the course. Unit 1, 2, 3 are devoted to database, wherein we are going to learn basics of the database, AR models and SQL, that is structured query language. Unit 4, 5, 6 are devoted to business intelligence, wherein we are going to learn basics of business intelligence, data integration and data processing, case studies of open source, for example Oracle, IBM, Microsoft BI Suite, etc. These are the textbooks and reference book that we need to learn this course. Thank you.